Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locating the variable you want to change and placing the caret on it. This targets every typed reference. Once done, invoke rename with Ctrl+R, or the context menu. Visual Studio will gather all symbol references so you don't miss usages. Make sure Preview Changes is checked so you can inspect the full list. That prevents accidental renames in unrelated code. This step preserves semantics and reduces runtime errors by updating declarations and usages together. Now you refine the operation by selecting the correct scope, document, project, or entire solution, because broader scopes catch more references but may show false positives. Next, scan the preview tree. Visual Studio lists usages in code, tests, comments, and strings. Uncheck any items that shouldn't change. If generated or external files appear, skip them to avoid breaking builds. After applying, run code cleanup and a quick build to let analyzers stabilize and reveal any missed issues. Finish by rebuilding the solution and running your tests. This confirms the rename didn't alter behavior. Then inspect your Git diff carefully, stage the intended files, and commit with a clear message describing the rename scope. If you spot unexpected failures or missing updates, try restarting Visual Studio, clearing the component cache, or using the light bulb quick actions to reapply the rename. If necessary, perform small manual edits where the refactor missed a literal or external reference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.